Today is February, I don't know, 20 something in it?
16th
of Feb 2021. And I've come to my friend's garage where he's got some really true classic cars. And believe it or not, underneath this cover right now, we're going to expose a true beauty. Yeah? I just love it. Right. So what we got here, sneak peek. Wow. Check this out. So this is the E21. E21.
No, E12.
E12 model, right?
E12
so
M535.
Yeah. So this is the E12 M535, which is the first M5.
Yeah. 1981.
1981. That's it. And it's been restored with a livery to Gosser. Is that right?
Yeah, Gosser beer. Yeah.
Yeah. Gosser beer. Wow. So we've got some BBS. Retro.
9-inch.
Yeah. I think what I love about this car is the rubber boot spoiler. Yeah. What's happening with the back bumper?
Back bumper's staying off.
Is it?
Yeah.
Leaving off. What for? Is that how it was, or period?
No, I'm leaving it off though.
You just think it looks better, or?
Yeah.
Yeah. The rims, mate. Wow. Tell you what, dude. When you take this out, it's going to be bright, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. Can't rob no banks on it.
There you go. Did you put the M5 on, Derek, or?
Yeah, it's already on, yeah.
Was it? Is that? But did it come like that, or?
Yeah.
Is that how they do?
No, I don't think they come
No.
like that, no.
Were they badged up as 3.5?
M535.
It's a beauty, mate. So I remember seeing this on the drive for a few years, and then slowly but surely it got brought back to life. You've done all the seats as well, haven't you?
On the seats, not fitted them yet.
But yeah, you had them all retrimmed.
All retrimmed,
Yeah.
yeah.
So he's doing all the inside. All the seats are being retrimmed as well, so that's yet to be finished.
No, the seats have been finished. We've just got to fit them.
Yeah, to refit the seats. Period correct. Yeah, seats are beautiful, mate. Beautiful. You know, seriously, dude, this car, this is something like you take to Goodwood Festival of Speed.
Yeah, probably.
Do you know what I mean, mate?
Yeah.
That's the kind of, you know, if you rock up in this, it's just that the front end on these here, mate. Look at that. Look at this. I'm telling you, mate, absolutely stunning. Well done. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. And he's got another beauty up here that one day we'll showcase as well. That'll be on the next episode, yeah? I'm just trying to convince him, right, that this is the future. This is what people do nowadays. But he doesn't believe me. I'm like, people love all this, man. Don't they?
I don't know,
They do.
old fashioned. I'm off the grid, mate. Okay.
Yeah. No. No. Well, no, I'm not going to give locations away or anything like that, mate. Don't worry. Yeah. For security reasons, we won't expose you. Don't worry, Derek. That goes without saying, mate, yeah? And Ian's doing rebuilding the VWs, which again, this some good work going on here. So thank you for allowing me to film the car today, Derek. I appreciate it.
Alright, mate.
So till next time, see you later, lads.